I want to run away from home. Put my cigarette out. Maybe somebody will be in here for a change. That'd be groovy. That's a door. The hallway. Mini stains. Safety. See if you got any mail. Do. That's me. Nothing. Good. How's it going, bud?
Hey, I got a question. Your name is Mark, right?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Some people asked me yesterday, was that Mike? I said, no, as far as I know, his name's Mark.
Mark, yeah.
And I said, okay. Anyway.
You have a good day. Good seeing you, man. Stay out of trouble.
Absolutely.
Good. We're way too old to get into that trouble, aren't we?
Yeah, I'm 12.
Take care.
6 plus 6 and 5.
Pretty sure I have my money. That would suck. It's a trash can. Ashtray. Do a little detour with me. You're game, aren't you? Evan. Excuse me. Ooh. Stuff. Things. Why do I love these phones so much? Cobra. Oh, have you saw? Gracias. Let's go this way. Welcome. Welcome. It's a very welcoming place, isn't it? Beef. So, welcome to my neighborhood. That's the mall. It's kind of cool. I never buy anything up there because of Amazon. Though I used to. I should browse more. Cool. Not my hotel, but pretty much a crap residence hotel too. Mine's better though, because I live in it. Hola, amigo. that on the way back. Cut that for a minute. He's on drugs. Just tell. And not cool drugs. I miss cool drugs. I hope Sultry likes this. And so much moss. The landscaping gentleman does a really, really nice job. And I've chatted with him a little bit. He speaks no English, I speak no Spanish. But we still love each other more for it. It's just lovely little things. Appreciate this so much. I'm glad I have enough of a soul to pay attention to these things. I need to find my trash pit stick and go back to the old days when I picked up a lot of trash for the fun. It was kind of a safari for me. Another view of the hotel. This town used to have forms of tourism and whatnot. It's pretty much gone now. But hotels are neat. This one has caught fire several times, burned out almost completely. And they keep rebuilding it. A new hat for Ace Commander. Yeah, it really is. Hey, somebody picked up that trash bag. Good for them. Or I blew away. Really love this place. Something really sinister about this thing or these things. There aren't very many of them left. George. Hey, bud.
We just got back from a long walk about afternoon down.
I'm good.
Hi, George.
Looking pretty perky to me. Hey, George. What you doing, George? Hey, bud.
I still see action. I'm going to keep my nose out here. Try not to get too much dog snot on the window, okay?
Yeah.
You got a hitchhiker.
Yes, you do. Yeah, take care, Ben. Yeah, it's not even full. What's going on with you people? We'll never know, will we? Well, I'm back. That was pretty cool. Off camera, I got my friend James to give me a great idea about a cooking video. I ain't going to tell you, but it's going to be superb. CEO is going to love it. You're all going to love it. I hope. Well, I love it because I love the food and I like doing whatever it is this is.